Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get lithium and Astroneer. This is going to be useful for crafting things like the medium battery, RTG or more bigger batteries. So to begin, first of all, lithium